Assalamu alaikum. All student, I am fine. I hope you are also fine. Now I will discuss about real number and our problem to prove that root 3 is irrational number. To prove that root 2 is irrational number. Okay, it's a very important question for examination. Those are class 9 and 10 and matric. Okay. First, you have to know the definition of a irrational number. What is irrational number? This number which can be expressed by p by q is called rational number, but this number which cannot be expressed by p by q is called irrational number. What is irrational number? This number which can be expressed, cannot be expressed by p by q is called irrational number. Where p and q are co-prime each other and q not equal to 0 and q not equal to 0. Okay, if q equal to 0, what will happen? It will be undefined. If q equal to 0, what will happen? Equal to undefined. Suppose 5 by 0 is result undefined, undefined, not 0, not 5, not infinity. So, p and q co-prime each other and q not equal to 0. Now, we can start our problem. First, we have to show that where root 3 is existing. That means where root 3 plays in real life. Okay, now we can start our problem and solve our problem. We know that we have 1 square equal to 1. 1 square equal to 1. 2 square equal to 4. But root 3 square, root 3 square equal to 3. It is clear root 3 lies between 1 to 2. 1 to 2. That means because 1 is integer and next integer 2. So root 3 lies between two integers. So it is clear that is fraction. Okay. So it is clear that root 3 is not integer. Root 3 is not INTE. Root 3 is not integer. It is a fraction. Okay. Now let us consider. Let us consider root 3 equal to m by n, where m, n are co-prime each another, co-prime each another and n not equal to 0. It's clear we have 1 square equal to 1, 2 square equal to 4, but root 3 square equal to 3. It's clear that root 3 is not integer. Now let us consider root 3 equal to m by n, where m and n are co-prime each other and n not equal to 0. Now squaring both sides we have. Okay, that implies the body, or that implies 3 equal to m square by n. Squaring both sides, multiplying n on both sides, 3n equal to m square by n. Multiplying n on both sides, multiplying multiplying n on both sides. Multiplying on both sides. Since root 3 is fraction, so we can write root 3 equal to m by n. Where m by n? M and n are co-prime each other and n not equal to 0. Okay, explain both sides. Now product multiplying n on both sides. Okay, it is clear that left side and right side, if we follow left side here 3n is clearly integer. Why 3n is integer? Because n is integer and 3 is also integer. So 3 is integer. So 3 is also integer. But m square by n is fraction. So it is quite impossible. Left side and right side. Left side is integer, right side is fraction. So it is quite impossible. Which is quite impossible? What is impossible? Which is impossible. So you cannot write. Root 3 equal to m by n. So you can write that. So it is not possible to write. So you can write. So we cannot write. So you cannot write root 3 equal to m by n. Since it's not possible to m by n, so we cannot write. So we cannot write m by n. Since it's not possible to write m by n, so for this root 3 is an irrational number. Hence complete. Okay. Now we explain again our problem to prove that root 2 is an irrational number. Root 2 is an irrational number. First we have to show that its place, why root 2 exists on our real life. Okay. We have 1 is equal to 1, 2 is equal to 4. But root 3 is equal to 3. It is clear that root 3 is not integer. Since it is not integer, so it is fraction. So we consider root 3 equal to m by n. So it is clear root 3 equal to m by n. Where m and n are co-prime each other and n not equal to 0. Why n not equal to 0? If n equal to 0, it will undefined. So root 3 equal to m by n. Okay, square both sides. Root 3 square 3 m by n whole square m square. Okay. Now next step, multiply n on both sides. N 3n equal to m square by n. Now if we follow this relation, this equation, what is this? Left side 3n. 3 is integer, n is also integer. So it's clear that 3n is clearly integer. But m square by n, there is no common factor. So it will not divisible. It is fraction. M square by n is a fraction, which is contradiction, which is impossible. So you cannot write root 3 equal to m by n. Since it's not possible to write m by n, so it's clear. It's a rational number. It's complete. Thank you, my students. I hope it will be helpful in your recognition or your life.